Man versus machine.
I had an idea of how this video would work out. It's worked out in a completely different way.
All boards, full length, full throttle.
Full throttle!
Hey Gabe.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Hey guys, we're very excited to be here today at Fremont with the I Can't Switch Flip God.
I got this idea from Mr. Beast.
Wow, where all good ideas come from. Hashtag Mr. Beast.
But I added a little twist to it.
Tell me everything.
So the video I saw originally was Mr. Beast trying to pull a full-size car with RC cars.
Okay, so a good idea. Now what was your idea?
How many electric boards does it take to push an actual car?
I think we should do electric boards and just actual skateboarders. Like man versus machine.
I think it'll take like one person to push a car and
No, like skateboarding.
Oh,
wait,
okay. I'm down
do
for
you
that.
have ropes?
No, so I was thinking that we
From
like,
the back?
we hold on to it.
I guarantee Mr. Beast didn't do that.
He used ropes.
Exactly.
But it's a different premise.
Life is so hard. Okay, let's go.
Where's your car?
Why do we gotta use my car?
Because I don't want to use mine and Dan doesn't want to use his. Should we use Fetty's heavy car?
Mine's a lease. That's perfect.
Fetty, can we use your car?
Look at Fetty's
Look at his
teeth, everybody. Does everybody know what happened?
No, not yet. Maybe by the time this video's out.
All right, well you go get your car and we can all make predictions.
Okay.
I think it's gonna take 2.
I think it's gonna take all of them.
You think so?
And then it won't even go.
That one goes 27 miles per hour.
Give me that.
I think we'll start with the slowest one.
Ah!
What's up, Dan?
I have lint all over me. I wore a new sweater today. Yep, that'll do it.
Ah! Gabe Cruz inches away from just getting totally taken out by a car. He's just cruising like nobody, and then this guy turns into park. Whoosh. Are you in neutral?
Yeah.
I feel like he's not in neutral. All right, man versus machine. Yeah! You liar! Get your foot off the brake. Okay. Well, just pushing is okay. My thought was like an actual skateboard.
You want me to control the stick?
No, nothing. Okay, that's 2.
Are you in neutral?
One of the wheels isn't working. That's why.
Okay, Gabe, with this one, nothing. Look. Full throttle.
Fine, what about 2?
Okay, let's try 2. You ready?
Can I get some help?
On 3.
3. I'm already going full throttle.
Nothing.
What?
Okay, go. Oh, wait! Oh, we're getting someone! We just gotta get some momentum.
I feel like he hit the gas. Fetty's on the gas a little bit. Fetty, you liar! Are you on the gas? That was it? We pushed it.
Yeah.
Oh! Here you go, Dan. Why does that thing?
Oh my God!
Well, should we all push from the back or should one person get the window?
On 3.
Come on! I knew it would work!
We could go faster.
Turn, Fetty, turn!
Push that!
To the
don't need me.
interstate!
Push that!
You guys don't
Yeah, this is cranking.
Yes, you do! Go full throttle, brother! Push it! Push it! Dude, this is it! Dude, this is the greatest day of my life! This is amazing!
Years of hard work finally culminated in this moment right now.
Go left!
Go around Aqua Adventure. If you ever break down, we got you covered.
Oh, it's uphill! Oh,
no.
We're going! Go! Oh no! Dude, we're going uphill! Push it! This is the best thing we've ever done!
Turn left, turn left.
Hard left!
Hard left.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Full throttle. Full throttle.
Push it, brothers!
Oh no.
This was like taking my leg off.
Mine's not very powerful. I think I'm not really helping much. Switch me.
I don't want that one.
Switch me.
All right, go for it. What happened? I mean, it really depends on how you look at it. Either that was A, the most exciting thing that's ever occurred in the history of the world, or B, the most unexciting thing that have ever happened, ever.
Dude.
Feeling out. It's front wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive.
Go!
Come on, Uzi, man up.
Let's go into the left. Hold on.
I
think we need some organization here because now we got all 5. I think we have 3 in the back and 2 on each side.
What consists of the side like this?
Yeah.
Cody, how fast are we going?
3? We did 3 miles an hour.
We're hitting 10. With 5 boards, we're hitting 10 easy. Dan, like I had an idea of how this video would work out, and it kind of didn't work out that way, but it has worked out in a completely different way. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, gas it! Oh. Just gotta get the momentum going!
Burning out.
Me too. Oh, there we go.
That's pretty good, dude. We're killing it.
Why do I have so much joy from this? Yeah, Dan has to run. We're going now. Oh!
Almost 10 more.
Yeah!
Got it.
Go! Watch out for the bikes!
We did it! We did it! Oh my God!
Where's the coo wheels? I wish I could be in there on the coo wheels, dude.
We got this.
Hey, Dan.
All the way!
Yeet.
Yeet.
Oh, let's get it. We're skidding out. Flip a U-turn. I think we give it one more good go, yeah. Maxed out at 10, so now we got the entire airport runway to max out at least 12.
Airport?
3, 2, 1, go.
Careful. Our wheels are almost coming together.
There you go. Now we got it. Send it! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Huh? Push it down! Full power! Dang it! Dude, we had to have been going faster than 10. Dan, you know, what are those Australian birds that attack the people on the bikes?
Magpies.
The magpies, that's what it looked like, because every time we'd lose someone, they would just speed back up and hit the car again. It's like magpies chasing a car. Well, that was successful.
It was 10 again.
10 again? Dude, I feel like we should try it with a smaller car and see how fast we can get. All right, while Aaron is getting his car, we can go over the cavalry of electric boards we have. So first off, we have the Skatebolt. Tops out at 27 miles per hour. Probably the best one. This is the Acton, but we call it the Batmobile. This is the 4-wheel drive one, all-wheel drive e-board. This one goes roughly 24, 25, but the torque and acceleration because of the 4-wheel drive is unreal. This is the Walnut Tech, world's most intelligent skateboard. This one only goes about 14.
Oh,
But
wow.
it's pretty much the Prius of electric boards. And then we have the Icon board, fully waterproof. And this one's a good one too. This one goes really fast. And then we have my personal favorite, because this is actually mine, the Backfire G2. Tops out around 21. Really nice maneuverability. Fetty, are you steering again?
If Aaron wants me to drive.
Good luck with that beast, Fetty.
Yeah, I think we'll do the exact same experiment.
Push
You
the
don't-
start?
Push
Push the
start.
start, dude. Come on.
I've never been.
Here's a
in-
electron.
Uzi, are you gonna be on Batmobile?
Is this thing on?
We'll start out with the Walnut Tech. This is probably the weakest one. So we'll start with that one.
Okay, dude. We in neutral now.
All right, Nigel, give it a push.
This is on full throttle.
Not working? Oh, it's kind of working.
Oh!
Oh, there it is.
There you go. You see some flex in your.
And then it stops.
Well, you almost broke my spoiler off.
All right, well, let's go for board number 2. Aaron, would you like to add skateboard in there?
I'm gonna skatebolt it, yeah.
Full throttle.
There you go.
It's tweaking a little
There you
bit.
go.
Oh,
Ah! Okay. How fast, Fetty?
I don't know. It's 1.
Does it say 1? What do you mean you don't know? It's digital. 2? 2! We got 2!
You're still going. Keep
Just
going.
add him in. Uzi, come on. This is easier. Okay, turn around. I realize he probably doesn't know how to turn it into drive. Let's go all boards, full length, full throttle.
Just lean forward. I am. Dude, this is working phenomenally well. Right there. Okay. Dan, I think this is going. I think this is going great.
yeah.
This is going fantastic.
Gonna push it pretty easily.
You like the Prius?
No. I bet we go faster than 10.
Oh hell yeah!
Even
We're
with
like
less.
15 on this, easy.
All right, Uzi, what are your predictions?
I predict we hit 35.
I predict
kilometers per
we
hour.
hit 14. Just look at the numbers.
You know when it's a 1, it was hard to find it.
He was like, I don't know. I was like, what do you mean? Just look at the numbers.
We got Nigel up and running. Jeez, Aaron, you need a car wash, man. We're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, get some momentum!
Uh-oh. Right.
Chuck!
5, 6.
Push it! No! Keep going, Dan! Come on!
Push it.
Full throttle! Yeah! Keep going! I can't even keep up. Whoa! Whoa!
What was that?
Oh!
What was that? It ran over my foot.
You alright?
Yeah, dude. Oh man. Yeah, I'm good. It was fast enough that it was just like a boop.
Troy's foot got ran over.
No!
Ran over my foot.
No!
Take your shoe off or something and make sure your foot is not a
I
pancake.
can feel it.
Is it a pancake?
No, it's fine. Never push a car with electric boards. Top speed 12. Let's go again.
Yo, it's
I think that was a sign that you let Aaron go on the side and you go in the back.
Oh, Troy got hit on the side. I think that's a sign. Let's let Aaron go on the side. I got you. Okay, that's cool.
Once it hits like 10, I can't even keep up.
You could get in the car.
Get in, dude. Oh no, there's a Prius.
Let me in. Oh wait, it's locked.
This is such a bad idea.
Oh, I can't even see it.
You can't see the speedometer.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to yell it.
This is not a good idea. There's way too many cars.
This is a really bad idea. There's way too many cars. We need to finish this video so I can get a parking spot. All right, guys, let's go.
Oil maintenance is required, Aaron.
Oh no, that's why we're not going faster. 3, 2, 1, fire!
Oh yeah.
I love how it always starts out. So anticlimactic. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, sorry. 9? Uzi, pump it! Push it!
10.
10! Somebody push it harder! 11!
full throttle.
Full throttle! 12!
It went 13.
13.
Yeah! How fast is that?
13.
19?
13.
13, that's good. Anything above 12 is considered a massive success. I think that's a win. Cool. Well, you can park, Fetty.
Hard. Nobody told me that. My teeth hurt.
Boom! We did it. Today, we've made history. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards to push the car. And it pushed it pretty fast. It was max speed, 13 miles an hour. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. Yeah, there you go. Now you have it. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you need to learn how to skateboard. This is your time. Let's go. You yourself get on a skateboard and learn how to use it.